Americans spent over $52 billion on their gardens last year. That is a massive amount of money. Most people think they need a green thumb to cash in on this niche, but they are wrong. Today, I am showing you a system that lets AI build gardening gold mines for you while you sit back. If you want to tap into a billion-dollar market without ever touching a shovel, stay tuned because this changes everything for digital publishers. Here is the honest truth. Garden Goldmine is one of the most practical AI systems I have seen this year. It is not some generic prompt pack. It is a complete workflow designed to find high-demand gardening sub-niches and turn them into sellable products on Amazon KDP and Etsy. If you are looking for a simple, evergreen side hustle, this is a winner. Garden Goldmine is a comprehensive system created by Amy Harrop and Becca Krause. It is specifically designed for people who want to sell books, planners, and printables but have no design skills or gardening knowledge. The gardening niche is perfect because it is evergreen. People buy these products all year long to plan their spring planting or track their fall harvests. This system gives you the exact blueprint and the AI tools to generate these high-demand assets in minutes. It is perfect for beginners who want to skip the research phase and get straight to publishing. When you log into the member area, the first thing you'll see is the Garden Goldmine Guide. This is a 50-page deep dive into the psychology of garden buyers. Next, you get the Garden Publisher Pro Custom GPT. This is the heart of the system. You just click a button and tell the AI what kind of product you want. It handles the visuals, the content structure, and the layout. You also get a prompt pack that works with any AI tool. I tested this by asking for a container gardening planner, and the AI generated a full chapter outline and a tracking sheet layout in seconds. It even gives you a 30-day action plan so you never feel lost. There are a few optional upgrades to help you scale faster. The first is the Deep Research Rocket for $19. This uses AI to find underserved niches so you have zero competition. Then there's the Traffic Greenhouse for $27. This is essential because it shows you how to actually get your products in front of buyers using Pinterest and SEO. Finally, there's the DFY Starter Garden for $37. This gives you ready-to-brand Canva templates and 52 blog posts. It's the fastest way to go from zero to a finished product. To make this an absolute no-brainer, I've put together an exclusive 10-part bonus bundle for everyone who grabs Garden Goldmine through the link in the description. First, you get Keyword Research Ninja 2.0 to find the most profitable search terms. Second, I'm including Article Analyzer to help you rank your content on Google. Third, you get Pin Marketer to automate your Pinterest traffic. Fourth is the WP Swift Page plugin to keep your site running fast. Fifth is the Lead Book Generator to build your email list effortlessly. Sixth, I'm giving you 100 ready-made niche blogs to jumpstart your traffic. Seventh is the WP Video Focus plugin to keep visitors engaged. Eighth is the Social Ultima social media marketing tool. Ninth, you get the Amazon Store Builder to add another revenue stream. And 10th, I'm including the 10K ClickFunnels case study so you can see how the pros scale. Garden Goldmine takes a complicated $52 billion industry and simplifies it down to a few clicks. The demand is huge and the competition in these sub-niches is surprisingly low. However, I have a strict limit on my bonus bundle. These 10 exclusive bonuses are only available for the first 25 people who click the link below. Once those slots are gone, the bonuses are pulled down forever. If you want to start your own AI-powered publishing business, do not wait. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to App Verdict for more honest software breakdowns. To claim your bonuses, simply click the link in the description and complete your purchase. Your bonuses will be waiting for you inside the Warrior Plus access area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.